Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start using cloud storage with Box easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start using cloud storage with Box, first, navigate to the Box website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, click sign in and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you will land on your Box dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To upload files, locate the Upload button, typically represented by an upward arrow. Click on it, and select Files or Folder depending on your needs. Choose the files or folders you want to upload from your device. As the upload progresses, you'll see a status indicator showing the upload completion. Once completed, your files will be available in your Box account. To organize your files, create folders by clicking New and then Folder. Give your folder a name and click Create to save it. Drag and drop files into your newly created folder for better organization. To share files or folders, select the item you want to share. Click on the Share button, usually found on the right-hand side. You can either invite people by entering their email addresses or generate a shared link. Adjust the sharing settings according to your preferences. Finally, explore other features like comments, version history, and collaboration options to maximize your experience with Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.